we're going to show you how to spawn Herobrine, the monster of disaster. And here's what you need. You're going to need a gold block, netherrack, moss stone, a redstone torch, redstone, and a flint and steel. So first you're going to place a 3x3 square of gold.
If the fire goes out, Herobrine spawns.
And you're going to put moss stone in the middle.
Delaney.
Then you're going to put netherrack on
Get
top.
down.
So then you put redstone torch here, and here. So not on the corners, but in the middle. And you're going to put redstone around the whole outside. And once you're done with that, you're gonna put redstone on the floor edges, and then you're gonna light it on fire. And then once that fire goes out, Herobrine should be in your world. So yeah, and she's having a little trouble over there.
What did I do wrong then?
A lot of things. Yeah, let me show you how you do it. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, and while she's doing that, I will show you how to build a quick house. Okay, here we go. We're gonna need just gonna show you how to build a little simple house. That is the background.
Dad, I'm dancing.
Let's Vivi! Shh! Sorry about that. Just her sister being annoying.
No.
So this is gonna make a very simple house. So the video's not on this, so I'm not actually showing you. And yeah, that's how you should start it. And then, okay, she's done. So yeah, that